The blessings of Maa DhumaVati shatters and rebuilds sincere devotees on the path to divine illumination. In the Maha Yantra of Maa DhumaVati, the sacred top triangle symbolizes divine grace, carrying transcendental truth. It descends to the sacred bottom triangle, which represents the devotee's physical vessel, ready to receive and sustain divine grace. The sacred central triangle represents divine transmission. Sacred Bindu represents divine illumination. Like breath flowing between sky and earth, the sacred triangles reflect the movement of divine grace, meeting human devotion. However, the blessings of divine illumination and wisdom only arise when the devotee is sincere and emptied. In this age of adharma, seeking an authentic path can be difficult due to limited access to ancient wisdom. Many people do not know how to live a fulfilling life. Instead, they take false paths that eventually derail them from true purpose. The blessings of Maa DhumaVati destroys devotees' old ways and beliefs and rebuilds them stronger on the path to awakening divine illumination in them. Om Maa DhumaVati Jai.